So hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. This is Anjali Karki from Devbhoomi Uttarakhand and you all are welcome in our new vlog. As you can see, there's a paper bag in my hands and might be you are thinking that where I'm going today. Actually today I'm going to meet with my neighbors, and as I told you, we are in village. So in village, the houses are very far from each other. It was a time when the houses were very close to, but now people are migrating and they are replacing their house from one place to another place. The reason to go there is there is Satyanarayana Vrat Katha tomorrow, which is also called Vrat Katha. It is a religious activities, and I want to tell you more about this. Satyanarayana Katha or Satyanarayana Vrat is related to Lord Vishnu, or he is also known as Lord Satyanarayan or Bhagwan Satyanarayan. So in this story it is explained that how Lord Vishnu, how Lord Satyanarayan helps their devotee through their struggles, and it is a, it is a sacred worship. Let me tell you more about this Vrat Katha. This Satyanarayana Vrat Katha can be performed on any day, but in our Devbhoomi Uttarakhand especially it is performed on housewarming, on or after marriage. But it's depend on anyone when they want to perform this. They can do it on any day. I'm going to tell you an amazing thing about our Uttarakhand. Whenever we are going to our neighbor's house after a long time, so there are some fixed days, like except Tuesday and Saturday we can't go in their house. This is because we believe that uh, going on Saturday and Tuesday it is not good for them, because it brings poverty and make their condition polite. But don't worry, I don't believe in such type of gossips. But yes, it is no harm to do or to look after the thoughts of our elders, to respect our elders if they are getting happiness through this all. I'm getting too late. I will show you the path. How is the path in villages? The paths are very snaky or zigzag. Let me show you. Look at the path, how it is. But walking on such type of path, it's really a fun. As you know, our Devbhoomi Uttarakhand is, as its name mentioned, Devbhoomi, it is the land of God. So it is believed here that if we are performing Satyanarayan Katha at our home or any kind of puja at our home, so it brings prosperity, it makes our days palmy, and it brings happiness. So guys, I am too tired now and I'm taking rest and telling you an interesting fact. One more interesting fact actually. So it is the month of January, which is very religious month according to our Hinduism. Or in Uttarakhand, most of the worship they happen in this month, because it is believed in Uttarakhand that Magh month according to our Hindu calendar, and it is very religious month. So as I told you, all the kinds of worship they happen mostly in this month. So let's go. Look at this snaky path. And guys, not only I am going, so many women will come there to do work. You can see the path, and through my breathing you can imagine how difficult it is to walk in such a path. Guys, meet with our grandfather. We call them Babaji lovingly. So guys, somehow I have reached near to the road. Have a look to the beauty of our village. So guys, this is the house where I have to go, and from here there is a shortcut, so I will take shortcut. Look at the path guys, I can't say any word how beautiful they are and how risky also. but yet I love to enjoy. I have just reached and they are starting walk. In villages they all walk together and they walk together. Look at their dresses, how simple they are, and our language, how sweet it is. Actually it is our native language, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy our vlogs, whatever I will show you through my vlogs. Now we are going to start work. Now I'm going to meet with my sister-in-law. We did walk together and then we have a long talk as we were meeting after a long time. Now I'm going back to my home, and as you have seen, the people of Uttarakhand are very sweet. They are very simple. They dress up which is very simple. Their language is so simple. This is all about today's vlog. I hope you have enjoyed our vlog. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And yes, if you want to enjoy our Hindi vlogs, so visit to YouTube and search Anubha Karki Vlogs, where you can enjoy our Hindi vlog and our daily life activities. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.